Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mick from Camera Bits here with a quick video about presenting with Photo Mechanic while you're in a Zoom meeting. A lot of folks try to share their screen and they share Photo Mechanic, and then when they click on a window and the preview window comes up, they see the preview window, but the people watching on Zoom do not see it, and they get stressed out and they get frustrated. So here's what's going on. I'm going to do a demo, and I'm going to do a split screen with my friend John, who's right now very busy doing customer support for Photo Mechanic. I'm going to interrupt him. We're going to do a video chat. I'm going to split screen. I'm going to show you what I see as a presenter and what he sees as a viewer, and I'm going to go through some of your options for getting this fixed. So let's do this. Well, John, thank you very much for joining me in this great demo. We're in a Zoom meeting here, and I want to show you something in Photo Mechanic. So I go to share screen and say, oh, I want to share Photo Mechanic. So I pick Photo Mechanic and share it. John sees Photo Mechanic now.
Yes.
And I'm talking about the images, and I say, oh, let's go into this one. And I double click it. For me, I see the preview window. John, do you see a preview window in what you're seeing?
I do not. All I see is your contact sheet.
Right. So what's going on here? This is a problem for a lot of folks. So I'm gonna stop screen sharing and try this again. So in screen share, you'll see in Zoom, you have the ability to share an entire desktop. What this does is we'll share the Photo Mechanic window and any new windows that it creates. So I'll do this. Now you should see
I
the
do.
contact sheet.
Yep, there's the contact sheet. And yeah, it
I
originally popped up with the preview window, and there is the preview.
Yep. But now you're also seeing like my menu bar and
Yeah.
like all the icons on the side. So a lot of folks might not want to do that. So here's a little trick that something can do. So actually what I'm going to do is stop screen sharing. Now, before I start screen sharing, I'm going to open up a preview window. Now in my Zoom window, I'm going to hit share screen. There's a preview window. I can hold down Shift and multi-select the Photo Mechanic window and the preview window. I can share. Now, if I close the preview window and I say, okay, everyone, I'm going to do a Photo Mechanic demo here. John, you see the contact sheet right now?
I do see the contact sheet and nothing else.
Nothing else. And now I click on an image, preview window comes up. John, do you see the preview window?
I do.
Yeah. So, and now you see it without the menu bar and without all the icons on the side. So you can share Photo Mechanic using the preview window, as long as you do that multi-share. You holding down the Shift key in Zoom, you can close a preview window, but since it still thinks it's supposed to share the preview window, it will continue to share it when the preview window reopens.
Yeah, that works great.
That's it, John. Thank you very much for your help. Now get back to work.